Hello, my name is Javier Ricarte, and today I'm going to be walking you through a problem of simplifying exponents. So, this is the problem we're going to be working with today. And in order to solve this problem, the first step is to simplify. So, in case you didn't notice how I got the z to the negative 6 and the x to the 10th power, what happened is I first need to simplify this parentheses. And so you can see that z to the negative 3 and x to the 5th are all of that is squared. And what happens when an exponent is squared is you actually need to multiply them. So the z to the negative 3, you're going to need to multiply it by 2, and the same thing is going to happen with the x to the 5th power. And as you can see, I was left with z to the negative 6 and x to the 10th power. After you simplify, the next step is to switch the negative exponents. So as you can see here, I had the z to the negative 6 and the x to the negative 3 on top, and the x to the negative 5 and the z to the negative 12 on the bottom. So anytime you have a negative exponent on a variable, what you need is you need to either take it from the bottom to the top or the top to the bottom, as I did right here. So as you can see, the z to the 12th power is on top, and the x to the 5th power is also on top, and the z to the 6th power is on the bottom as well, with the x to the 3rd power. After you switch to negative exponents, you need to combine like variables. As you can see right here, I have the x to the 15th power. I just added the x to the 10th power and x to the 5th power, because when you multiply variables, you need to add their exponents. So after you finish this step, you need to subtract the bottom variables. As you can see, I subtracted y2 from y7. That left me with y to the 5th power. And I subtracted z to the 12th power. I subtracted z to the 6th power from z to the 12th power. That left me with z to the 6th power. And I subtracted x to the 3rd power from x to the 15th power. And that left me with x to the 12th power. And so this is my final answer. Y to the 5th power, z to the 6th power, and x to the 12th power. Thank you very much.